Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Diamond Rose. Welcome back, Diamond Crew. Welcome to new subscribers. Welcome to newcomers. This is my channel. Hit the like and subscribe and the notification bell to get all of the job offers and job leads that I have for you guys this morning and in the future videos as well. So my job for this video will be from out of Florida. It's a remote position and it's Teleperformance. In this company, job role will be customer service and sales representative role. Work from home for $13.75 per hour. And the website for this company is posted here. I will go briefly over with you with Indeed on Indeed website first, and then I will go straight to that one to let you guys get a good look at it, and I will post a link down below for this particular website. Okay, with this job, the benefits will be 401k plan, dental insurance, health insurance, paid time off, paid training, vision insurance, and work from home. And the full job overview description of it will be why you'll choose us. Teleperformance is a strategic partner to the world's leading companies, bringing solutions and enhancing customer experience during each interaction. We are the largest interaction expert team in the market, multicultural, high-skilled, and deeply knowledgeable with a range of integrated omni-channel solutions, technology, and the highest security standards. For us, each interaction needs to be treated as unique. Benefits of working with Teleperformance include paid time training, competitive wages, full benefits, medical, dental, vision, and 401k plan, and more, paid time off, employee wellness, and engagement programs. Your impact. Our customer service representatives are a very important part of our family. You will be the eyes and the ears of our team, field customer inquiries, and finding innovative ways to respond. Working in a collaborative and engaged environment, you will have the chance to interact with people from all walks of life, and no 2 days will be the same. As you continue to grow and challenge yourself, you will discover your potential can take you anywhere you want to go. Responsibilities. As a customer service representative, field customer service inquiries by finding innovative ways to respond to varying questions, issues, and concerns. Connect with customers via phone, email, chat, and or social media to resolve their questions and or concerns. Calmly attempt to resolve and de-escalate any issues. Escalate interactions when necessary and appropriate. Respond to requests for assistance and or possible processing payments. Track all call-related information by auditing and reporting purposes. Provide feedback on call issues. Upsell if required. Qualifications. What we're looking for: high school diploma or equivalent, IT, network certifications, degrees preferred, 18 years of age or older, proven call center experience, type 25 words per minute, proficient in PC operation and navigation, entry-level network troubleshooting, ability to set up home Wi-Fi network, ability to set up and configure a router or switch, core proficiency with a laptop or a desktop computer, ability to work independently. Have excellent communication skills, both oral and written. Ability to write or work in a consistently changing and fast-paced environment. Ability to stay composed and object. Strong listening skills. Ability to work remotely in a virtual team environment. Being one of our people is our mission to always provide an environment for our employees that promotes happiness from the inside out. When you work with us, you are valued and inspired to learn, to teach, and to grow. We want you to come to work motivated to and proud to be on our team. That's why we want continually invest in creating outstanding work experiences and endless development opportunities. We want you to be a field at your best always. Teleperformance is an equal opportunity employer, and they posted this 3 days ago. But you guys get on it because they are still hiring for this position. It is based out in Florida. It's a remote position, and this is the website. And its starting pay the pay is $13 per hour, $13.75 per hour, and they're hiring for these states: U.S., Alabama, Arizona, Arkansas, Connecticut, Delaware, Florida, Georgia, Idaho, Illinois, Indiana, and Iowa. And this is what their mission is again. Why you can choose them, your impact, your responsibilities, your qualifications, and being one of the people is an equal opportunity employer. Basically, this is what it is. Give you the rundown of what I gave you on Indeed.com too as well. So all you have to do is apply for this job online, and you can even email this job to a friend. You can share it on social media, and this is the job for this video, you guys. This one will be a little short, but this one is very informative. It's short, brief, but informative, and I love it this way. So if you can get into it, opportunities knocking. Please answer the doors when you see that they're wide open and there are positive doors that's open, you guys. Go ahead, head straight into it, you diamonds. Keep sparkling, keep shining. You guys got this. And always remember, you guys can watch plenty of my other videos, because I have other videos on here as well that I have previously uploaded, and they're all great jobs that I have uploaded for you guys to get into and to explore. Give this video a like, subscribe, and comment down below. Let me know how your job search is going, and I usually give out inspirational videos as well. I have them in some of my previous videos that I have on here, but I will be doing more because, yeah, some people, everybody needs a word of encouragement sometimes. And don't worry, opportunity is always there. Just go ahead and just apply. You never know what type of job requires what, but sometimes they'll overlook that you don't have certain requirements and you don't meet certain qualifications. They will overlook that. If you are persistent and consistent and in trying to get a job, they know it, they feel it, and they can hear it in your voice that you want to get this job, they will definitely hire you guys. Remember, keep on inspiring yourself, be inspired, and let's uplift each other. Let's go ahead and do this, you guys. You got it. And until next time, I'll see you on the next video. Have a great one.